I need some more manly soap. Can she soap it? Let me talk just a little bit about the additives that I chose for the soap. I wanted this to provide scrubbiness like the original Manly Man soap, and so I added ground oatmeal. I used colloidal oatmeal in the hopes that it might give a little back to the skin. This soap does feel a little drying, and it's not overly stripping or harsh, but I think the combination of bentonite clay and activated charcoal contribute to how the soap leaves the skin feeling. It's been a great face and body soap for me, and yes, I have tested it even though it's a bit masculine smelling. I don't always pre-mix my colors. Oftentimes I measure out the recommended amount of mica and just dump it into the soap batter. Today I'm using oxides and not micas. Oxides really need to be pre-mixed. They're prone to clump and leave streaks on the soap when it's cut. I pre-mixed about a half a teaspoon of oxide with about a tablespoon of oil that I reserved from the batch of oils, and I used my spatula to mix and smush out the lumps. Now when I add the soap batter in, it's much smoother and easier to blend it all in. I decided to add the fragrance before adding the oatmeal and clay. I did this because the fragrance oil behaves better than the bentonite clay. The bentonite clay will expand and contribute to the thickness of the batter. I made a batch and a half of soap. This makes a regular full-size batch and a batch of miniature or guest-size soaps. Some of the miniatures were placed in the storefront for sale or given away as samples. The remaining ones went to a local high school for their student pantry, which helps provide essentials for students in need.